Yeah. Hello, my dear students. So, how are you? Hope you are doing very well and your study is also going very fine. So, this day we are learning the some formula, how to make the formula for trigonometry. Okay, and already I completed the two classes. So, if you are watching this video first time, kindly go in playlist and watch that video. Okay, and now we are going to learn how to make other formulas. Okay, so this is our hexagon because all formula we are making around this only. So we write here. I hope you already remember. This is what? Sine, cos. Here we not write tan. Tan we write here. Here. Tan, cot, sec, cosec. Okay. So based on division means by, and based on multiplication we make the formula. Okay. Right now here what we will do now? We will make like this. From here to here, just corner to corner. What we will do here? Corner to corner. And in middle, one king will come. And what is the name of that king? Sir, 1. Okay. Now from here, what we can conclude? You see, when we multiply corner to corner, like here, sine into cosec. So that is going to be 1. See, corner to corner, if you multiply, get 1. So when in exam or any time when you are solving, we forget this formula. Na? In the just rough side of this, you make this one, you can get formula very easily. Okay. Now, cos into sec. What we write here? Cos into sec. So that is also equal to 1. Very simple. Now, tan cot. So we write here tan into cot. So that is also equal to 1. You can prove any one, no problem. We check one. Suppose you are taking the tan. So what is the tan formula? P by B. And what is cot? Cot is B by P. So see, this cancel with this cancel with this cancel. Okay. So anything you can prove, you get the same answer. Sir, this part we understand, no any problem. Now, next what we are going to learn? Complementary angle. Okay. Already we learned complementary angle means what? Sum is 90 degrees, sir. So here, just in front of this, we go like this. Okay. So sine is equals to cos 90 minus theta. Okay, like that. If you go here to here, so we can do like this also. So again, cos equals to what? Tan 90 minus theta. Again, here we can do tan. In front of tan, what is that, sir? Cot. So we can write here. Sorry, here I write sine. No? Yeah, sine cos cos sine. Now tan. So tan is equals to what? Cot 90 minus theta. Now cot. Cot is equals to what? Tan 90 minus theta. Understand? See, we are making very. Now you can say sec is equals to what? So sec is equals to cosec 90 minus theta. Now cosec is equals to what? Sec 90 minus theta. This is formula based on the complementary angle. Okay. So here what we learn? Simple one. We check in front of. Okay. Sine in front of cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. So just reverse from this side and that side. Okay. So this we understand. Now we are going to learn very important formula. Okay. That is called a square formula. That is going to be very, very important. And that is really very. So here we said here. This part, this part, this part, this part, this part, this part, this part. Again we skip one and said another one. Again we skip one and said another one. Okay. Now we make a slice of pizza. Okay. So you like to eat pizza? Yes, sir. Now we move first clockwise. Clockwise, clockwise, clockwise. Then what we get here? Now come from here. So here first what comes? Sine come. So in our way first come sine square. Then we write plus. After sine square, see they are moving like this. So after sine it go where? Cos. So we write here cos square is equals to 1. Okay, see sine cos 1. Now here we start with 1. See, from here we are starting from here. So on the way who come first? 1. So we write here 1 plus cot square is equals to cosec square. Understand? For this, you tell me only. So in this way, first what come? Clockwise. So first tan is coming. So we write here tan. After tan what comes? So tan square plus 1 is equals to sec square. Understand? So this formula mostly student either confuse or either forget. Okay. So we have to learn. It's very simple trick. Na? We have to make the slice of pizza and do this. Very simple. Okay. Now what we will do? Again, this time we are moving anti-clockwise. What we are moving? Anti-clockwise. Yeah. And see, when we are moving clockwise, then we are adding. When we are moving anti-clockwise, then what we will do? Subtract. So here, now we start with 1. 1 minus cos square is equals to sine square. For here, what will come? Cosec square, then cot square. So minus cot square is equals to 1. See, anti-clockwise. So we start with cos, then go to cot, then 1. Here what happens? Here sec square minus 1, that become tan square. So this is the formula. So almost we learn all the formula. Okay. First we learn our which formula? Basic formula. Sin, cos, tan, Pandit Badri Prasad bol har har. Okay. Based on this we learn the ratio formula. How to convert clockwise or anti-clockwise. Okay. That we completed. After it we complete the opposite, corner to corner. So when you multiply sine into cosec 1, that we learn in this video only. After that what we learn? Complementary. And after that this is square formula 3 plus 3 6. So almost all formula be completed. Okay. Now we solve few questions. Now we are able to solve all questions. Exercise 8.1, 8.2, 8.3. So try to solve all questions. I will pick some important question in upcoming video and I will provide you. Okay. So till now you practice the formula and try to do questions. Okay. So now we meet in the next class. Please take care. Bye.